Welcome to the STUDDS Shifter Helmet part replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor mechanism replacement. To remove the visor of your STUDDS Shifter Helmet, open the visor fully first. Then, push the visor opening lever and gently pull it forward. The visor will detach from its casing as shown in the video. Repeat the process on the other side and pull the visor outward. Now to remove the visor mechanism, open the two screws first and then pull out the entire mechanism carefully from its slot using your fingertips. Keep all the parts safe. You will need them to reassemble the visor later. To install, place the visor mechanism back in place in the notch provided as shown here. Gently tighten the two screws using a screwdriver. Now, align the visor on top of the visor mechanism and gently snap it in place. Finally, operate the visor to check if it is working properly. Sun visor replacement. Your STUDDS Shifter Helmet comes with a sun visor. To replace the sun visor, first open it using the mechanism on left of the helmet. Now, gently push the sun visor on one side using your thumb and pull it out. To put it back, slide the sun visor back in position and slide the locking mechanism close. Mouth vent cover replacement. Your STUDDS Shifter Helmet comes with mouth vent to circulate air. To remove the mouth vent cover, pull out the cover plate using your fingertips. To install the mouth cover vent back again, fix the cover plate on the slots in the helmet and then snap the cover plate in place. Top vent cover replacement. The helmet comes with replaceable top vent covers. To remove the top vent cover on your STUDDS Shifter Helmet, use the tips of your finger to remove the covers one by one. To install the top vent covers back in place again, put the vent pieces in place and snap it gently. Operate the vent levers to check if it is working properly. Breath deflector replacement. Your STUDDS Shifter Helmet comes with a breath deflector. Pull up the breath deflector as shown. Repeat for the slot on the other side. To install it back, align the hole on the breath deflector on the chin bar slot and push in place. If required, just adjust the breath deflector on the chin bar. Beading replacement. To replace the beading on helmet coming at the neck region, pull it down firmly. To put it back, push up and snap it in place. Rear vent cover replacement. The rear vent cover can be replaced by pulling it up with your fingers. To fix it back, place it in the slot and snap it firmly with your thumb. Cheek pads replacement. Your helmet comes with removable cheek pads. To remove the cheek pad, gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the two buttons opening. Then pull on the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheets come out of the helmet. To install the cheek pad, push the plastic sheet inside first and then snap the cheek pads back in place. Liner replacement. The liner on the helmet can be removed for cleaning and replaced as necessary. First, remove the cheek pads and then snap open the two buttons on the back of the helmet. Lift the visor and unlock the 3 snap locks of the bandana in the front of the helmet one by one and pull out the entire liner from the bottom of the helmet. To put the liner back in place, align the bandana with the snap locks provided in the helmet. Now, gently snap the bandana in its place. Do a final check to see whether everything is in place and operating correctly. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studs.com or get in touch with your nearest STUDDS dealership.